go, go. You can do this. Mama. Gigi boo boo. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Good job. You're doing it.
Big guy.
Welcome to my Just Playtime. Today we're teaching little JJ how to ride a scooter. He's 1 year old. Will be 2 next week. Yeah, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? This scooter was originally his older brother's scooter. Okay, we're not gonna ride it on the ground. Let's go. How you teach a toddler how to ride a scooter? It's okay, he's already tired. So I noticed he's been so sorry. Alright, JJ. See, you have to put your leg up. Use the other leg. No, he wants to put both of them. Don't see what he's doing on this side. Don't see what he's doing on this side. He wants to put both of them up. You're going to sit down and ride it first. JJ, you have to put your feet. Yeah, put one leg down. Let's go. He was doing it inside, and I thought he's ready to be cut. Come here, Gigi. Come here. Come here. You can do it. No. And then he ran away. Okay. Go this other side. Alright, let's do it. And he's ready. And then his brother is coming to distract us. Now he wants to ride a truck. Let's go. Let's go. He's good boy. Yes. That's a true whistle. You have to hold on to it. Good boy. I like the fact that JJ has a lot of balance. Yes. JJ, you have to hold the second right. Good job. Good job. Okay, can we try with your leg? One leg down, and then one leg up. I don't know if you're right or left-handed or left-legged. Alright, JJ. Break. You want to ride it like that? You have to get on leg. JJ. Alright, let's go. Go. Let's start with that. No? Alright, come on, one more time. Good job. Alright. He is definitely tired now. He's been trying to ride it in the inside the house. I was like, okay, we'll have to go outside and get a helmet and teach you properly. Let's go. Alright. Good job. You go. Roll with your right leg. Good job. And leave your left foot in there. Go. Come here, Gigi. Come to mama. Come to mommy. Come here. You go. Come. Yeah, good job. See, at least he's attempting to put his feet. And then he wants to run away. Good job, JJ. One more time. Maybe we can come and ride it. Maybe come and ride the scooter. Come.
No.
Come, please.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
No.
JJ wants to sit on the ground. You can sit on the ground. Come.
No.
Right. Show JJ how to ride it.
No.
Show JJ how to ride it. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. JJ's running. Go and catch JJ with your scooter. Come forward. Yes. Good job, JJ. Yes, come here. And then he ran away. I guess this is an epic fail for us. We'll try again tomorrow. Hopefully when he turns to have more coordination, more patience. Thank you for watching. Bye.